Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Lava Mobile guys how to check hotspot password in Lava Mobile. Friends, you want to change hotspot password in Lava Mobile. So now how to change hotspot password one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Lava Mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it and friends click here mobile hotspot setting. After hotspot setting friends, click here Wi-Fi hotspot, and friends you can check hotspot name and you can use hotspot setting from here. Friends, click here hotspot password, and friends you can check Lava mobile hotspot password, and you want to copy your password. So friends, you can copy, you can cut password from here. Friends, I will remove password, I will set new password, and my password is 00001111, and friends your password should 8 digit, because guys if you use 7 digit password, 7 letter password, you cannot change hotspot password. Friends, your password should 8 digit and 8 letter, then friends you can use hotspot password setting. Right click OK, password will change and you can check friends you have new password. So like that friends, we can change hotspot password in Lava mobile, and friends you can change password with shortcut setting also. Open your phone setting, search option hotspot setting, hotspot password, click here. Direct friends you can check Lava my hotspot password. You want to change again hotspot password, you can new password, enter new password, and you can use Lava mobile hotspot new password. Okay, password will change. So like that friends, we can change hotspot password in Lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.